Hey there, busy professionals! Are you too swamped to cook but still want to lose weight? Well, you're in luck because frozen food can be your secret weapon. No, seriously, let's dive into how you can shed those pounds without sacrificing convenience. First up, frozen produce. Did you know that frozen fruits and veggies can be more nutrient-dense than fresh? Yep, that's right. They're picked at their peak and frozen immediately, locking in all those essential vitamins and minerals. So stock up on those frozen greens, berries, and more. They're perfect for smoothies, stir-fries, or just as a quick side dish. Next, let's talk about frozen salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, this fish is a powerhouse for reducing inflammation and boosting overall health. Plus, it's packed with protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Pair it with some of that frozen produce for a balanced, nutrient-rich meal. And don't forget about frozen chicken strips. These are fantastic for a quick protein boost. Just toss them onto a salad or mix with some veggies for a high-protein, high-fiber meal. Easy peasy. Now, if you've got a sweet tooth, frozen berries are your new best friend. Low in calories, high in fiber, and loaded with vitamin C, they're a guilt-free way to satisfy those cravings. Perfect for snacks, desserts, or even breakfast toppings. For the plant-based folks out there, frozen chicken patties are a game changer. They're a healthier alternative to traditional chicken patties with less fat and calories, but still pack a protein punch. Pop them in the oven and you're good to go. When shopping for frozen foods, be mindful. Look for options that are low in saturated fats, sodium, and sugars, but high in protein and fiber. Some excellent choices are Performance Kitchen's salmon meal, Saffron Road's Thai curry dish, and Green Giant's vegan fajita bowl. Remember, portion control is key. Always check the nutrition label and divide your meals into single-serving portions if necessary. This will help you stay on track without overeating. So there you have it. With a little planning and smart shopping, frozen food can be your go-to for healthy and convenient meals, even on your busiest days. No more excuses. Start stocking up on these frozen gems and watch those pounds melt away. You got this. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health hacks. Stay awesome and stay healthy.